you were locked in?
Yes.
Oh gosh. You were locked from the outside without knowing that you're inside.
Yeah, exactly. Usually Zaga are doing that, but he doesn't understand. We should usually ask if someone is in,
Okay.
but to lock.
So you got your food?
Yeah, luckily yes.
Oh, so beautiful. So he's really loving the cow, you know. Right, let's go, Jensen.